What if you could turn an idea in your head into a fully designed app in seconds, just by describing it? No coding, no dragging elements. Just talking. That's exactly what Stitch by Google is doing right now, and it might completely change how we design forever. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we explore the most powerful AI tools for creators. Today, we're looking at Stitch, Google's brand new vibe design platform that transforms natural language into high-fidelity designs, all in one seamless workflow. And trust me, this isn't just another design tool. This is something different. Stitch is an AI-native UI design and front-end generation platform from Google, available through Google Labs. It turns natural language prompts, images, and other design references into high-fidelity user interfaces and exportable front-end code for web and mobile apps. Instead of opening tools like Figma and starting from scratch, you just type something like, "Create a modern fitness app with dark mode and progress tracking," and Stitch builds it, layouts, screens, and structure included. It's basically like having a professional UI/UX designer powered by AI.
Okay, I want to design a new landing page for a brand. Something in matcha green, peach, or lilac.
I've generated 3 visual directions for you.
Let's go with organic, handcrafted. Hey, can we swap the photo with this image? Yeah, nice. Let's apply the design system to the whole site.
So I wanted to work on a new workout plan, and instead of doing it on pen and paper or writing something in my notes app, I decided to vibe code this exercise app I call Forged on Earth. It allows me to set up workouts for the days that I work out and even get little tutorial videos built into these workouts. Gives me my timed exercise, and after the timer runs out, allows me to even log my gains, so putting in how much weight I did, how many reps, any other info, and all that's going to save for me over time so I can see the progress that I'm making. I used to do this in my notes app, but now I'm doing this in this really cool experience here. Makes it very easy for me to go to the gym and know that I don't have to focus on anything else but putting in my best effort when I exercise. It'll allow me to go through 3 sets of each exercise in 3 different blocked rounds. And as you can see, there's videos set up for every single exercise. When I'm done, it'll allow me to save my data, and I can check out my gains at the end. Of course, if I don't want the data there, I can always delete it, start from scratch. And cool thing is you can update those videos, so maybe later I can change.
Let's be real, this changes the game. Design is no longer a barrier. Now, ideas become visuals instantly. Prototypes happen faster than ever. Anyone can bring concepts to life. This is part of a bigger shift powered by Google Gemini, where AI doesn't just assist, It actually creates alongside you. Right now, Stitch is available in English, limited to supported countries where Gemini works, and restricted to users aged 18 and above. So depending on your location, access might vary. But one thing is clear, tools like Stitch are the future of design. If you want to stay ahead as a creator, this is something you need to start paying attention to. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, and check out my next video, where I break down another powerful AI tool you can use right now. See you in the next one.